Welcome to this nature immersion visualization meditation journey where you're invited to envelop yourself in the calming beauty of nature. Find a position that feels most comfortable for your body to rest in. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a calm, crystal clear lake nestled within a secluded forest. As you gaze out at the still waters, notice the reflections of the surrounding trees and the clear blue sky above. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. With each exhale, release any lingering worries or distractions, allowing them to dissipate into the air. In this moment, you are fully present, fully alive, completely immersed in the beauty of this natural environment. Feel the soft earth beneath your bare feet, cool and inviting, offering a sense of stability and grounding. Let each step you take sink into the nurturing embrace of the earth, connecting you deeply to the present moment. As you stand upon this sacred ground, feel a profound sense of belonging and interconnectedness with the world around you. This is your time to connect with the intricate details of your surroundings, the delicate ripples on the surface of the lake, the dappled patterns of sunlight filtering through the canopy above, the vibrant hues of wildflowers that carpet the forest floor. Feel the warmth of the sunlight as it kisses your skin and dances playfully across your face, inviting a sense of calm to wash over you. Take the time to bask in the gentle caress of the sun's rays, allowing them to penetrate deep into your being, warming you from the inside out. Inhale the sweet fragrance of wildflowers that perfume the air, mingling with the earthy scent of moss and pine. With each breath, feel the essence of nature infusing every cell of your being, awakening your senses and revitalizing your spirit. Let the symphony of nature's sounds envelop your senses. The gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, the melodic chirping of birds perched in nearby branches. And as the water laps against the shore, feel its steady rhythm echoing the heartbeat of the earth itself. With each gentle wave, sense the ebb and flow of life's ever-changing tide, reminding you of the constant flux and flow of existence. Embrace the fluidity of the moment, allowing yourself to be carried effortlessly along the current of now. Here you are free to simply be, to exist in perfect harmony with the natural world, connected to something greater than yourself. Let yourself linger here a while longer, savoring the beauty of this moment and committing it to memory. Take a moment to express gratitude for this opportunity to connect with nature and cultivate inner peace. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation.